Yo, stocks 5150. Today is November 13th, 2025, and we are going down, brother. Down, sister, down. All systems down. Look at that. This is on the 4-hour chart. Ain't nothing but blood today. Just been popping down. So, more of the same, right? More of the same. Definitely trending down. No question about that. The question is why? Well, look over here. Nvidia is 184. That's how many points down is that? That's eight. They're down eight, dog. 8 points today. Nvidia's down, Tesla's down, Amazon's down. Yeah. QQQ's down 13. That's the same as this right here. So everything is pulling back. I think it's because there's a lot of talk about the AI bubble. AI is dead. You got that dude Sam Altman came out and said that the government can be used as a backstop. So basically, he just wanted to spend up all our money for his data centers and all that crap. And so, yeah, nah, man. I mean, he telling the truth. That's how it works for the banks. But you're not a bank. You're a tech company, and I mean that stuff ain't that necessary. You know what I'm saying? No matter what they tell us. So, at any rate, um, yeah. But we pull it down to some interesting levels. You can see here. We're almost one more fib away from the bottom. It looks like we're heading that way on this 4-hour chart. I'm not in a position right now. I did do the right thing so far. Let's see, I'm at 550, 585 on the day. But I might cop one of these shorts just to see what happens. I don't know though. I'm afraid. Let's go down and stay on the 30 minute. Got a little. Oh, look, that was a gap down right there. That's crazy. So I tell you what, I don't know. I don't want to get caught down here at the bottom, shorting at the bottom. I might be late for the party. You know what I'm saying? Because now might be it's 1:30. Who knows? They could pull it, bounce it, and turn it around. I mean, off of this level right here, but that gap down into there, that's pretty strong. Let's see what it looks like on the 5 minute. 5 minutes just selling down. Yeah, 48 is there chasing. Yeah, well, that's a nosedive, yo. I'm glad I didn't get caught. I can't say I didn't get caught because my March contract did get caught in that because I was long and I'm back long again on this one, but I was down. Yeah, I'm down now 1900. I down $1,000 on this one. So this one is not the best today. Matter of fact, look, let's look. This one cost me a G today in the long term. So technically, so yeah, down 486. That's for the day. So I'm not tripping over that, but I went back long again, down at the bottom. So hopefully this is the bottom. I mean, you never know. Uh, yeah, I was really this is the bottom technically, so we still got this room to go right here. Yeah, we could just drop on off the cliff. That could happen also. Get back down to what 2500, 2500 could be on the menu. I mean, that's only 300 points away. Yeah, I don't. Where are we at? I need to look at something. Trey Brigade said something today on his levels. That dude be like on point because I really want to say he called this today. Let's see, what is this? Yeah, we just been cascading down. Uh, yeah, in hindsight, I probably should have went short. I think I reversed that right quick. Just see if I can take a chance and ride it down if it goes down further. If it don't, I'm already down that one. So, and this is a March. This is a March contract. See how that goes for the day. This might be the bottom. We come back up and touch the oh, no, looks like we're still going down. So we'll just keep an eye on that one. But this could be the bounce. This could be the bottom right here. Tell you what, we just gonna get out. We're not gonna play all that back and forth reverse and crap. We're just gonna be out and wait until we get back up above here, and then maybe we'll go back in. All right. No need in playing with the money. That's 1100. We'll let that be. All right. So let's go over here to this one. Okay, same thing. Yeah. What we got? Got us a little bullish cross. It ain't. I don't think that's a bear flag right there. That's a setup. I'm gonna stay out of that one. Let's see. Oh wait. If we turn and get above, maybe I'll give it a shot. Because that hasn't happened at all today. Well, yes, it did once, but it didn't go much. So don't expect much. See, it gave it up rapidly. See, even on the ticks, it's a spread. It's not close. It's hitting and topping. Man, be nice if I could get in and out like that. If I had the skills to do that. No, don't do two. Do one. We're down here though. See, look at that. What's the 1 minute? Slow it down. See what we looking like on the 1 minute. All the way down here. Nope. 5 minute. Nope. Yeah, it's no need to mess with this. I don't know why I got this fib on here like that. Where did that? We don't even need that. We can see that it's just going down. Yeah, truthfully, until no green, no calls until we get up above here. And even then I wouldn't trust it. So I say calls, I'm talking option talk, but no longs. No buys. I might not do nothing. Just sit in this one and watch for once. I give back what I got. I mean, it would have been cool if I'd have went short though. Before I went to bed, I'd have woke up feeling better about myself. Down 500 points. That would have been $1,200. But we didn't do that. With good reason, because this market tricky. Very tricky. Yeah, like I said, look at that. We're already down to 2,500. I called that. I said 2,500. We're at 2,532. So I'm thinking this is the bottom. Let's look at this on the 4 hour right here. 24/7, 24/709. That was the bottom. That was the bottom of the move. That was the beginning of this move right here. This is the beginning of this move up. And we retraced and almost maxed that. So could this be, what do they call that? Head and shoulders? I don't know how that goes, but this could be the beginning of a new one. So if we go from here, oh 03 to there, let's do one. I don't think I got enough money to buy nothing. All right. All right, we did one with the thought that maybe possibly, because we're here, we could get to here. So that would be 24,800. So let's see, 24,800. We'll go ahead and set that up. 24,800. Take this auto roll off. I mean, it's bouncing clearly. What did I get in? 25, 22. Look at me getting in and giving back already. I don't like that. Wow, don't tell me I went short at the bottom, bro. Anyway, let's draw this fib. We'll get back to that. So this is turning out to be the top, and this is the bottom. Dude, look at me picking the bottom. As soon as I go in, it starts going up. 144. Mark it on your calendar. It's still happening. Going the wrong way at the wrong time. Again. That was the bounce. Look at that wick right there. That's crazy. I went short at the bottom. All right, let's see if it pulls, if it holds. I mean, it's green. Look, we got a green candle on the bottom. This wick can. I don't know though. See if it'll hold. Yeah, I literally did that. Well, you heard me. Shoot, I was like, all right, well, we'll go down to 2,500, catch those 20 points. And no, instant rejection. I bought at the bottom. Let's see what the market's gonna do. Let's be patient and see what it's gonna do. I mean, I ain't gonna give up, but maybe 200 on that one. Like if we get up here to 25, 108, I would get out. Let's see if we bounce back down, pull it back, retrace. I would think we should, with the way the day is going. But that's what I get for thinking, right? Always what I get for thinking. 146. Let's see, 56, 53. Back in the right direction. Let's go. Like I said, we're looking for 2,500. Not nothing big. Honestly, I was looking for something big. I was thinking when I did it, I was thinking more in line of like catching this move, catching it down to here like 24.9 or something like that, holding it to then, but this kind of got me spooked. But I was thinking that because looking at, let's go back and look at what I was looking at. Because I was looking here. So we're here and we're holding that support right there. I was thinking we catch that little part right there, that gap fill. You see what I'm saying? Or what do they call that? Value area. Like I'll see it already closed that gap. But I was thinking we could fall through there. That's not really a gap though, but yeah, I was thinking we could fall through, but no, not yet. You catch that down to 24.91 or 2500. Like truly go to the bottom. But it's not looking that way. It's holding. So look at this on the 5 minutes, see what kind of support we're building. All right, we're coming back up. We're about to touch. Look, it gapped up. We're touching the 13. That's crazy that I'll get in at the bottom. If I don't get a rejection on the 13, then I'm gonna close out. Take whatever loss, take my medicine, you know what I'm saying? Then I'll just wait until we get up above. I'm not gonna trade nothing else. That was my YOLO. Literally got a green doji right there. Yep, that's crazy though. It is what it is. It's how it goes. I ain't tripping though. Finna do a replay. I want to see something. All right, we're getting a little rejection. Not heavy enough though. All right, so yeah, it was Trade Brigade. Mm, I like that rejection. Glad it didn't flip yet. Trying to be more patient. Okay, so Trade Brigade today, he called out to the upside. He called 780, so 25 780. That didn't matter because we didn't go up. We instantly did what he said. We went down, and he called out 20, 25 500, 450, 395, and 270. And we are at 2500. So shout out to him, Matt. All right. We are trying to build, trying to run up. I just need one little push down. That's all. I get out of this one green and alive. I'll be good. Get my 2500 and I'll call it a day. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and put that order in. I ain't trying to be no hero. I got in at 2522. Can't believe I got down at the bottom like that. So we go down to a psychological 2500. Maybe the market's trying to avoid that. You know what I'm saying? It went to 19. Yeah, I literally got in at the bottom. 2500. Bam. So I got the order set for 2500. Wait, let me just take the 40. All right, let's see what happens. I mean, we're still sitting in no man's land. We just Doji in it, Doja Cat in it right there. Nothing special happening over here. So, what am I thinking about today? Thinking about I got to do a budget. I feel like I'm spending too much money, but that's because I'm in here trading. And I think I'm confusing that with my real life, the real life that I don't have. But, it is what it is. I'll log on, look at D Money for a little while. Shout out to Jerome. Let me look at for look at Forex Factory. Maybe DJT is supposed to do a speech or something. We definitely hanging out right here at the bottom. All right, so on Forex Factory, we don't have nothing going on today. They got the 30-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. That came out 4.669. Crude oil inventories is down 6.4 million. Schmitz talked. Natural gas at 10. Logan speaks at 2:30, and Bostic speaks at 3. Oh no, that's on Friday. So nothing else going on. So he had 65. Let's see. I'm gonna get shook out by that little bit, that little couple dollars. But I'm not gonna sit in it. If it hits, like I said, if it hits the 13, I'll get out. You know what I'm saying? Just need to pop down. That's all. Yeah, it's Chop City right now. What's that? 84. What would 84 be giving up? 84 give up a little more than 100. We pushing. All right, we're coming down. So the 13 is coming down to it. All right, that was a push. That volume is super weak too. I'm not sure what that's about. It's 2 o'clock. Oh, there they come. They pushing it up. I really need a rejection there so I can get this one profitable. Then we'll revisit. And maybe that will be the bounce. So I didn't know that. I just found out DJT supposed to talk at 2. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna close out. Yeah. Wait for it. Wait, wait. Get a rejection off of this. When it gets back down to 50, if it bounces back. All right, coming out for a Doge. All right, we at 74. Hmm. Let's see. See what's about to happen. I think we're gonna turn reverse. We're coming down though. We're like 10, 2 points. 5, 87. All right. All right, so we touched it. See if we get a rejection. See if we get a rejection or if we're gonna get a push. Still holding. Not a heavy rejection. Not strong enough. I'm not that volume. I need to push down. Let's go. Let's get back down. Let's push. We wicking. If we wicking here, push down. Let's go. Let's go. This candle right here will be what it is. It's 2 o'clock candle. I'll be getting out or staying in. And it looks like I might be about to get out. 68. Yeah, let's go down. There we go. Push, push, push. Go down. Push, push, push. All right. There we go. Need a bigger push. Down. I need a push down. Got 4 minutes to roll with this one. Let's go to the 1 minute and see what's happening over here. It looks like it's trying to break up. Yeah, look at it. It's in the middle. It gapped up. Look at that. It's crazy. So on the 1 minute, it's building up, but we back. Let's see if we're breaking back below it. There we go. There we go. Let's stay down below it. Fall down. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. All we need is this trade right here. We live in one trade at a time, son. One trade at a time. 2,500. 2,500. Give it up. Give it up. Give it up. Let's get it. Ain't that hard to do. 30 points. That's actually a lot, but let's see if we can get it. Truthfully, as hard as this has been going, if we get down to 22, I'll probably call it a day we get even. But, still good on the day. Let's see. Nvidia's at 184. All right, so DJT supposed to be talking. Let's see. See what this dude talking about today. All right, so he spoke to reporters 18 minutes ago. Uh, so they talking in the back about the shutdown. It's 15 hours ago. I don't see where he's saying nothing. Let's see what we got. Are we coming down? Nope. Nope. Yeah, it's a push. I mean, that's a bearish move right there. It's not bouncing up, but it's not staying above it. That's a new 5 minute candle. All right, so on the 1 minute, we're above it. I'm going to get out. Let's see where I'm at on the 5 minute. 5 minute, we still below. Whoa, I didn't move me to move my fib. Still below. Yes. It's just chopping right here at the bottom, man. Holding it at 60 bucks. I don't like that. All right, let's go. I don't think we're gonna get what I want. Yeah, I think I'm getting ready to get out. 46, 45. See, I don't want to close it out, and then this mug goes and pushes down. I think I'm gonna have to. Let's see, cancel all buys. So we're kind of heading that way. That's the move. That's the move. Let's go. See, we got okay. We got some right here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's go. Come on, a little bit more. We need a little bit more. Let's get it. Honestly, I ain't even lying to you. If I get close to like teenage numbers, okay, here we go. Getting close. I don't even need to get like a big, huge gain on this. If I can get out, what we got 2 minutes left. Let's go. Let's flat. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, for all this pain I just went through, I'm literally getting ready to get out. Like even damn near. See how much it does. If it breaks through there. We at the bottom, holding. Here we go. Come on, let's go. Some more, one more, one more. Push, push, push. That volume's heavy. That should take it down. Get green, get green, get green. Let's see. It ain't even giving it to me, dude. Got 1 minute on this one. This next candle, if it pushes down, up, it's coming up. It's coming up. Nope. I should have took that 10. All right, I ain't gonna take this personal. I'm finna get out of this joint, yo. 45, 40, 30. 1 minute. This Doge right here, I feel like this one's gonna be down. All right, let's stop. Now this is gonna sound foolish because I was down to like $10 and I could have got out, but I'm getting tired of sitting here. And I think they are gonna bounce this bitch. I don't think they're gonna keep it down low. So we're just gonna take this loss. Wait, say that, and then every time it pulls back down, I'm like, okay, okay. So I like that. Push it down. Let's get some more. Let's get a big push down. Get a big push down. All right, bro. Let's just get out. Ready? Sell market. What? Fuck, I'm at short again. I didn't mean to do that. Damn it. I meant to buy. All right, so we out. See that miscue? I went sell market, so I was thinking to close it out, and I sold. So now I'm not doing that, but I'm still up for the day. 543. Yay, yay. All right, so DJT is supposed to be speaking. They say. Yeah. All right. We're rejecting so far, but is it gonna hold? I don't hear no sound. 600 point drop. I would almost feel like it's a trap to the downside now to go up, but I could be wrong. We're dropping. Super bearish on the higher time frame. Gotta keep that in mind. So what I might do, guys, to protect the profit, like on these accounts, they're up like $3,000 from funded accounts. I might just switch to eval. Because this price action is not like ideal, right? Kind of like you got to play it smart. There's the sell-off. Look at that. Here we go. See, I got out right when I got out. Look at every gimmick coming back down to me now. Yeah, not all the way to where I need though. Still bounce. All right, so what we gonna do now? We gonna let's trade. Let's trade, yo. Let's get in. We got 24. Let's go. Yeah, we got 2,100 people watching, guys. We need to hit the like button if you're not subscribed to the channel. How many? Yeah, we only have 491 likes, guys. And we got 2,100 people watching. So I don't hear no sound. All right, so yeah, I switched to Levi, guys. So that's what it's looking like for me because I don't like. Right, we're like 600 points down on the day, and I'm not gonna get back profits on what $3,000 on those two accounts, two funded accounts. I'm not gonna get that. All right, so I came down 2 points below. I mean, 2 points to where I was. So I took the L on that 50, but it's okay. Speed 38. What is Ginger doing? She working. Yo, I don't think it's literally just staying holding that right there, which is crazy. Look at that. That's my not this. I'm finna sound like Tory Trades, but we're holding that. You guys on the chart, but right now it's kind of. They need to pick a direction and ranging. So this fib is for the move that we had, and then we boom right there. All right, so we're 25, 25. 25, 30. Let's go to the 1 minute and see what we got. Gap down right there. We only want to do one. Boom. Get in one. Sometimes it's like this, right? All right, I'm just gonna run up some fees. See, 28. You might flex the market fees, I know, right? We got room. So that black box, guys, 24,921. So now he will play it up to there. That's 40. We'll see. It pushes right back up. So you gotta kind of be cautious. And your stop, where are you gonna put your stop? That's the question. You want to go short right now. Previous 5 minute candles high, or this candles high, 52. All right, let's see if we get it. There's no answer. Yeah, I know. Well, part of it, I think, is that Trump to get ready. Well, he's there. He's on stage, right? All right, nice. Got to move up. Got that. 40 bucks right quick or whatever that was. I don't even remember. All right, so the bottom of this one is 28. So let's hit see where we're gonna go. All right, so now we're in the middle on the 1 minute. Probably shouldn't diddle in the middle. Cancel. Let's do 40. Short right there. See if we can catch it back down to 40. Oh, this is the move. I was just trying to play this candle right here, but it looks like we might get some push, get a push up. I need 49, 8 more points. Let's go, let's go. Pull back, let's go. Drop it, drop it, drop it. All right, there we go. Sniper. Yeah. All right, so now we down here at 20 with 30. So let's see, do we go at 25? Let's see what happens. Hold up, that's a heavy push down, so maybe. Do 40 again. All right, so this is 40. Now, 40 to 45, maybe. What did we get to? 51 last time? 40 to 50. All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna do my twos, double this up and keep it down and keep the numbers a little shorter. All right. All right, we're at 40. To 40, go long. So 40, go long. We get to 50 again. Let's go. All right. Nice. Let's hit it again. Oh, and by the way, let's look at this. This ain't $40 actually. I mean, because I got fees and all that crap. So I'm getting like 30 bucks off these 35, 30, 30, 30. See, I'm paying like $1.50. Yeah, but building up. All right, let's go. Another thing, I do feel like we're at the bottom. Well, I ain't gonna do nothing, like I said, until we get above this. Oh, here we go. What is that, 50? Oh, that's nice one right there. I missed that. Let's see if we come back down to. So now that we got there, that's 64. So now we're gonna be playing with 50, 55. Nothing wrong, guys. Today we're trading evals. I'm just being honest with you. And I say that because of what's going on. If we can, now maybe it's, they're waiting for Trump. We've seen that plenty of times. 70, making a move, is pushing. I hate I'm not a part of this. But remember, guys, I'll definitely re-enter if so and let retest. Like my most of what I take profit was. See so. If you took that buy, guys, drop a W in the chat. Let's go. I ain't gonna go short hood. 14 EMA, which is 25,068, then I'll look probably for the next buy. Let's go. Two right there. Nope. I didn't get that. Okay, so this is a doji. This might pull down. I'll wait for it to come down. 55. Now some bullish momentum building out, it looks like on the 5-minute chart, right? Down here at the bottom of this gray box. Let's go at 60. Kind of see how price is trying to build some momentum to push higher. These lows are being held, right? Price is not breaking these previous lows, so when I didn't do no shorts, we'll stay. If we get one, there it is. It's gone. All right, we got that 60. Short YouTube video chat as far as I don't change any of the settings other than the length of the EMA. So we coming up. Moving average, the EMA, and it's 14 and 50. All right. 60. What we get to last time? We got to 83. Yeah, maybe you're in a different time frame. So this current time frame is 5-minute chart. This is the 5-minute. All right, let's go. 83, 78. E-money, do you always go for around 10 points? What if it goes higher? Yeah, it just depends. With Trump speaking, I'm content with that. That was actually that was more like 15 plus points right there on that trade, to be honest. Let's take this 75 and wait, here we go. All right, we're getting a move. Yeah, it looks like they want height. So you got to close on this 5-minute chart. So now we're going to have to see if we can let this run, see where it's going to go. Probably going to hit right here at 94. So I like what I'm seeing. So at least, but I'm not going to rush this. 94, 101. It's right here, just at the end of this 5-minute candle. Get a new 5-minute candle and see what we get. If you held that trade, all right, but this is the first candle outside of that range, so I don't have to rush it. Right? This is the first candle. Get out on that one. So there'll be time. All right, nice. Got that. Building back up. So 55. All right, we got another one. Let's see what it pulls back to. If it pulls back. Pulls back down to 25, 100. If it hits 100. We're going to continue to build this momentum. Then my next target would be the 50 EMA on the 5-minute chart, which would be 25,178. All right, so we at 100. Let's see if we get a bounce. Which is 25,073. That might have been a little too early, but let's see. We should. Yeah, I'm thinking here. Building there. So we'll see. Let's look at this 5-minute and see where we at. Excuse me. Maybe you run on the stream. So we in the middle right here. This is the danger zone. Trying to get up to 165. All right, let's go for it. This is Trap Beats Live on YouTube. 165. Let's see. YSA trades. I love you. Hey, I love you. All right, we building. Yeah, like right here, we'll get to 140. All right, so we're gonna get out at 140. Let's see, freeze that. Hit 140. Go up here. Where's 140 at? 140, I feel like could be some resistance. All right, run 40. All right, so we're gonna stay in. Hopefully we get up here. We're probably gonna come down. It looks like we're coming down and bouncing, and then we hit up and go to 140. 25, 140. That's my target. 40 point swinging. 40 point swinging. All right, so over here on my March one, let's see what's gonna happen with this. I think we had on the 30 minute, way down here. This one I gotta trade on the 1 hour. I don't think I'm gonna do nothing until it comes up here. So I'm gonna put the order in for. I'm gonna go for 400, 25, 400. Let's see. We'll shoot for we're at 75 right now, so we'll do one to get it. Yes, sir. We catch this 375 on the March contract, and that will hold. We'll see if that hits. All right. That volume is super light. We ain't rushing nothing. All right. 1 hour, we're still pushing. Let's get down here to it. All right. 140, that's what we want. All right, got it. I mean, got this that March contract. We in there. Let's see what's gonna happen here. I'm supposed to be looking at something else. Mm. See, I should have waited for that. That would have been nice. My 13 is still up. Let's see if it holds. See if it holds. Give us the gas. That could be the gas we need. See if we get the gas. It's looking like it's a little bearish though, like they pulling it back. See, and this is that area right here. We're meeting that resistance right here. So we could just range and chop right here from here to there. See what I'm saying? That could happen as well. Same range. We sat here for how long? A little while. Only a couple minutes. So let's see if we can get a push up, get the gas. Not the best position because see overall I'm in the middle of that field and we're shooting for that area. You see what I'm saying? So we might pull back down and yeah, being in the middle ain't cool. I don't know why I don't have no sound either. I need to figure that out.
Entry was 96. Let's go, baby. All right, I'm gonna take that off, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
G Money getting excited. I'm looking for 25, 140. We at 25, 115, making a good move, going the right way.
Look at that retest on the 5 minute chart, right? Look at the wick. No stop. The stop was 80. I said that at the beginning of the trade, chat, because that's actually the 50 EMA on the 5 minute chart. Just trying to make a little money.
All right, so that's what's happening right here. We are wicking out, stopping on the 5 minute. We're finally above the 13, but we're diddling in the middle. Dangerous. And that could prove some resistance. But you look right here. We got to get a push. We get a push and come up and get a touch. That'll be perfect.
3,100. I'm up $3,100 on 200 accounts, so I wasn't gonna get that back because we're kind of consolidating in a range. Which going into a Trump speech, I wasn't gonna risk that on the.
All right, let's go. Making a move, pushing.
I was trading an e-bomb money earlier. I called that out. Showed the screens already, so I'm trying to be as transparent as I can, right? Drop a W, guys. If you made money, and look, it's still going, guys. So if you got in off that entry, I mean, let's go. That's so all right. There, I get a ton of messages. I get a ton of DMs. I get a ton of people in the chat saying, "How do I trade?" That was the perfect example of how I trade the Wix guys, right? On trade retest, I would say take a mental note and kind of go back to your chart or go back to the screen and kind of look at that, right? Is it always going to work? Absolutely not. But if price is in momentum, it closed above the gray box, which was the consolidation range. Technically, right? It should hold. The level should hold, and we should expand higher. No, I closed that trade out. That was over 15 points on that trade as well, guys. Right? 2 for 2 with Trump in the background. Let's go. Money, how am I counting 10 points so quickly? So all you got to do is the math. If you see that I'm up on, if I'm up $600 on trade for $615 or $650, whatever it is, that's the math. Like based on the account size I'm trading with. Let's go.
Trying to figure out why I don't have no sound right now.
Pocket Scooter and E-Money has the simplest method for me to understand. Hey, I appreciate that.
All right, we're making a move. Here we go. We need 140, 20 more points. Being patient.
That was a 40-point trade. So you gotta like, right?
Being patient. Let's go. Chill out.
Done speaking. Oh yeah, Brittany, yeah. So yeah, that's the thing. Like, just you gotta be kind of content. Like, guys, if you held to the top, and I know maybe everybody didn't hold to the top. Like, I'm realistic on that, but I'm a momentum trader, right? So when price came down and did a retest of this gray box, let me kind of blow it up. When price came down and did a retest of this gray box, technically it should have held, and that also matched up with the 14 EMA, right? So my thought process.
All right, we're still in. We're holding.
Price was gonna basically expand higher, and I wouldn't be surprised. It gets up to 25,176. The only issue now is that where's your stop gonna be? So like, is it gonna be below the low of this current candle? That could be
Let's go.
realistic, right? Because you're giving yourself not a huge stop, maybe a 20-point stop. But you also like up here, where is my stop going to be? Somebody said in the chat, like, where was my stop? Like, I need that out. I said, oh, my stop is below 8 because the 14 EMA is sitting at 8. So I didn't want to see price back below the 14 EMA. How do I figure out the green box? I just basically drew the range. Price was stuck in a consolidation range. So that's the high of this current candle.
All right. 20 points. Let's go. Pulling back. I'm literally waiting right here. This might be, let's see. Yeah, we are hitting that resistance right there, 131. That's interesting. So I might have misjudged that. Yeah, I might have misjudged that by holding for 140. Let's see if we get a bounce. Pull back up. Like I was 10 points off.
Yeah, guys. So I kind of talked through it, right? I mean, what I was seeing, and sometimes you got to kind of, be patient. It took a while to even get the first trade. But that's how it is sometimes. Not always gonna get trades right at the open or right when the stream starts, right? So once again, like, is this area gonna hold? Because we're right back there now. So now it's like,
All
okay,
right, we're getting us a bounce now.
sir, we see how they're getting that reaction right back off the EMA again. That's 17 points, guys. Back to the upside. Even if you snipe that trade, like bouncing right off the EMA, you could have picked up another.
The money in the background, teaching everybody. It's kind of keep you from feeling like you're alone when you're trading though.
If price gets back below the EMA,
All right, let's see. Let's go. This might be the gas we need. Do we get it? Do we get it? So again, like I said, I'm at 140. That might be a little overzealous.
could be it, guys.
Yeah, we're starting to pull back now. Let's see.
It's a great box. Consolidation box.
Hmm. That's not good. This move right here. I don't want to let this turn into an L, but
It's kind of strange that this current 5-minute candle doesn't have a top wick. It has a very small top wick. So good time to be patient.
all right, let's get us a bounce and get some gas. We got to get up.
Yeah, guys, we got 2,300 people watching. Do me a solid, hit the like button, guys, if you haven't already. Uh, Trying to see if I can hit 1,500 likes 3 days in a row. Let's go. Um, Called out 2 trades, both winning trades, guys. Definitely kind of showed the sauce as far as what I'm thinking on these trades and kind of breaking it down. So all I ask for, if you're enjoying the stream, hit the like button.
I'm gonna leave it right at 140. Look at that. Now I'm going the other way. Dang. I was close. Held too long. Fuck me.
Swing, typically spike and views as we get closer to 3 p.m. because that's officially going into power hour. And
Pull back.
I am going to be streaming 9 a.m. tomorrow because so PW's going to be racing cars in Miami, guys. So I know he kind of mentioned that on his stream this AM. So I won't be doing the power hour session tomorrow. 9 a.m. tomorrow.
All right, let's see. So we get a bounce on this. If we stay above, gotta be cool, be patient, chill.
Solid, simple trading by D Money and always stay on the side. Target for the day. Let's go. Yeah, no power hour tomorrow, guys. I'll be back streaming in the afternoon on Monday, but I won't be streaming the open tomorrow.
Bro, I don't like this.
No, I don't think they're gonna be fall. I think that was
I don't like this. We're getting back down underneath. I don't like this. Dang, I should have got out. If I don't get a bounce, what we looking like? We need this. We got 3 minutes on this candle. Ah, we need to build some, stay on some support right here. This right here, all this consolidation that we had earlier, that we can stay on some and make this some support. That'll work out in my benefit. And then we just build here. Even if we range bound right here in this area, but yeah, I gotta chill.
I'm a scout, right? So but notice this reaction right back outside of that gray box. So
So let's chill. Mm.
I don't get married to the trades. Outside coming. I mean, let them drop it, right? I mean, you can always go into momentum.
Nice push. Let's get us a good wick. Bottom wick. Need to push up. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Push up.
Yeah, we're kind of bouncing back out of this gray box chat. This consolidation area, we're bouncing right back up.
Mm. All right. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Point wick, bottom wick on this 5 minute chart. Candle, right?
Yeah, it wiped me out at 37 points. I should have been.
Time to go short? Nah, not for me, not yet. I mean, like I said, I would want to see us back below. I mean, if I'll put it like this: if I'm a bull, I don't want to see us back inside this consolidation box. Just broke out of it, but this could be a higher low being established. You got to keep that in mind as well, chat. Right? We broke out. We put in a higher high up here outside of the consolidation range.
All right, we're pushing. Let's see. Let's go.
So now is this like a higher low that's gonna hold the wick of this candle? So that's what we have to kind of keep in mind.
All right, if this one right here gives it to us and we get some gas and we make a run up. That volume is super weak though. 245. They trying to save something for power hour. I guess they're gonna pull it back to 3 o'clock. Maybe they'll drop. Maybe they'll stop top. I don't know. Maybe it drops. Maybe it tops. Sheesh. I don't like this being caught right here though.
He told you got a 10. Yep.
Let's hold it.
Yeah, I've been streaming now for over a month, right? On my own show. So let's go. Two trades, guys. I know we got a lot of viewers that tuned in going into power hour. All right, we're kind of holding. So like if I'm long right now, I want to back below 77. Uh
Well, there we go. As soon as he said that, we at 70.
5 minute candles low. Because that would look
Let's
good.
keep. Let's hold some support. Let's build support right here. Oh, look at that, giving it up.
So I'm gonna let this candle kind of close out, see if it gives me more direction, and then we'll go from there. D Money, when are you taking me for a spin in those cars behind me?
So I literally was up and I let that waste away. Well, I don't want to say that because I was waiting for my 140. I felt confident that we was gonna get that, but ran out of gas. Also, I was on the 1 minute, and look at that. That's a huge gap down. Oof, that's crazy. I was over here on the 1 minute, and over here, I looked at that and I was like, where was I at? Here. Yeah, and I figured 140 would be good right there. Yeah. So I figured we would get in, but I should have went here, looked and did 130 instead of 140. You know what I'm saying? I knew that would be some resistance, and 130 proved to be. I was just 10 points off, but I'm gonna hold out. We're in the middle right now, and on the 1 minute, we're in the middle. Bouncing off the 48. Bouncing off the 48. Definitely had the opportunity to snatch that though, and I didn't. Don't like that I wasted an opportunity. Yeah, this ain't cool. Turning over. Mm, I don't like that. Let's go. Let's push back up, yo. It ain't. It's right here. This is where we have to build some support. Start back over, but it's curling. I don't know. Yeah, now I'm regretting that I'm still in this joint. All right, our reverse went short. We're gonna see. We're probably gonna hang down here, touch down to 25.30, and then I'll get out. Just take a little something. 527. All right, so is this the pump? Let's see what we getting. Are we falling or we going climbing? I should have closed out. I gotta stop that reverse and stuff. I don't think I'm gonna mess with that. I'm gonna wait till I'm gonna stay short for now. When we heading back down, 13's heading down. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You stinking or oh man, that's crazy. That was my money right there, yo. That was my money. Shit. All right, let's see. So now I'm in 25.72, same place. So let's see if we can make a run back up to 120 this time. Damn. I had those good snipes and I gave them back up. I hate that. All right, let's get back focused. Lock in. I shouldn't have swung for the fence. Every time I swing for the fence, I end up losing. Let's just get this little bit and get in and get out. You know what I'm saying? That's what I should be doing instead of what I'm doing. Where are we at? Yeah, this is a shitty position. Mm. Like we're gonna hit that bounce reverse. Let's go. There we go. Look at it. All right, I ain't flipping this time. I'm gonna hold out. Let's get a push. Yo, we holding that level right there. If we can hold that and bounce. Mm, got 8 minutes to power hour. They can make a run. Volume is super light.
Zoom in now to the screen. Took two trades, two winning trades, the eval account, trade the funded account.
Yeah, we hitting resistance on that 48. Fierce resistance, which is the top of all this consolidation earlier. And yeah, look at that. Crappy, crappy, crappy. Dang. Kicking myself now. I'll tell you what though, I might just stay in this because I feel like, uh-oh, here I go with my feelings. Don't start that. What's going on this chart? 85. Yeah, it's working me. I'm not working the chart. Chart's working me right now. I gotta reset. See, we coming back down. We crossing. Yep. Look at that. See, but I can't reverse. If I reverse, then I'm reverse down at the bottom, and then that's when it's gonna bounce. See, then you're there. And so, maybe it goes down some more right now. Um, all right, so it looks like we're gonna stay in this range. Now we back to where we started, which is garbage. Back to where we started. All right, we're gonna hold out. See, check this out. This is something I gotta be mindful of. Where in the world are you where you can't be happy with $500? I gotta get out of this one. This is dragging me. If I get another green, I'm out. Just saying. I'm gonna click cancel all sales. Sitting right here. We got to 88 last time. Uh, See if we get a bounce. We curling up. I mean, 100 would be nice. Earlier, I had this. This was at 900, and I sat and just watched it, and it all vanished away. So, see, greed is killing, and I gotta take these small bites. And I traded this up earlier where you saw it, doing a little 40, 40, 40s. So, yeah, when I swing for the fences, I get stuck, and then it's getting whipsawed. Like right now, sat through all of that, and I could have been making some money because I could have been trading these. All right, here we go. Where the volume at? 330, 675. What did we get to last time? We got to 91. So if we got to 91 that time, we'll probably get to 90. We're gonna go for the 100. I just got through talking about being greedy. Just take that 45, man, and get out of this thing. Where is it at? 50. See what this next one brings us. Get some volume. We're getting some volume. We're getting up. It's weak though. You see? There it is. Let's see. We get it. Let's see. That's higher. We can get it. We stay higher on this one. Push up. Higher low. I just said I was gonna get to 40 and get out, and then I just sat there and watched the 50 and let it go back down. Yeah. All right. Go ahead and get to 50. Call it a day. Right here. 85. Wait for it. One, I'm like, we could get a bounce and push up through that 87 because we hit here 87 already once. So that's what my expectation is to get to. Here it goes. I'm gonna have to be quick though. No, that volume ain't good. 33. Here we go. Yeah, that's it. All right. I'm back at it again on the 100 for 97. Let's be realistic. What we got over here? 93, 89. It don't look like it's trying to do much. 65. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 80. Let's go. All right, we coming in range. Push. Come on. Let's go. One more time. What is set? 1 minute. 35. This will be it. 1 minute into the 5 minute candle. All right, we're gonna take the 100. Let's see. Let's see. Can we get it? Can we get it? Bam. All right. 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 $600 on the day. That's that. I say. But look, watch this. Nah, I'm a chill. 600 on the day. I literally was at 9 though earlier. See a wick right there. So now we're gonna go down to the 5 minute and see what we're looking like. See on the 5 minute we hitting resistance right there. So if we get above, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna sit out until we get a curl up and we get if we get above the at the EMC, that's a gap up. If we get above and break up on this 48, then we'll be back in again. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, but till then, and that's there. That's on the 5 minute. On the 1 minute. That's on it. I don't know who this fool is. Somebody. Where I live at, I live on the top of the hill. People be pulling up, trying to figure out what people got. I don't know. Anyway, back to where I'm at. 1 minute. All right, we're pulling back to the 100. All right, so right now I'm gonna wait until we get down into here to 76. If we pull back and we get there, or if we're gonna run on this 100, we might run on this 100. We might be back at it again. Let's go for it. Okay. Risky and crazy, I know. All right, let's see how crazy it is. Yeah, I know I should have went down here to the 80. That probably would have been smarter. But now what we're doing is trying to play, I don't know, just gambling. But let's see. So that was the top. That was 120. Let's go to 20. 120. We woke up. Looks like we're waking up. So if we're waking up, we're getting some movement. Hmm. All right, 120. Let's go. Let's get to 40. Get this 40 right quick. Ready? Where we at? Snatch this. Oh, oh, we moved up. We shot right through that. That was nice. That was nice. I was able to save myself on that. All right, we get another push up. This be nice. Sellers are up there though, selling it back down. Let's see. Where we gonna go to? 120. We're gonna hit 128. Let's see. 120. Oh wait, stop moving. 120. Let's get 120. Nice. Got 120. 80 bucks. All right, we cooking now, baby. We cooking. Let's cook. Let him cook. All right, what we gonna get? We're gonna go to 140. Pull back. Let's see if we pull back on this next candle. What we looking like on the five? All right, the five. See we mitten there. That's gonna be a pullback right there. So let's see. Go back. This is why I keep doing this stuff, man. It's crazy. It's so much fun when it's going good. I want to keep focused. All right, so back down to the 100, please. Let's see, down to the 100. Where we at? Start all over. Hopefully, keep the momentum going. Look like we didn't even come back down to the 100 that time. We went to 120. All right, I'm tracking. So let's see if we pull back down to what we're gonna do this time. 115. Nothing. No pullback. Interesting. Looks like we're gonna go. So 130. 130. See if we get a bounce back. Pull back, get 130 and go up. Might be making a run. Might have missed. Okay, there it is. See, look at that. Could have stayed at 120. All right, so this one is to get to 140. Where are we at? What did we gas out at last time? Last time we gassed out there. So yeah, same place. I was wanting to get to 140. It would be nice to get to 150. So let's see if we get to 140. Where's 140 at? Right here. Let's get that 140 and call it a day right here. 140. Boom. Two. Oh. See if we get a push up and get that 40 right quick. Let's go. Nice. All right. Cooking with grease. We hitting 150. We look like we hitting 150. Let's hit back in again. 130. See if we hit 130. Nope. Bounced. Went to 135 that time. Come on, let's pull back down. Let's get 130. Shit, that 130. Let's get us back in. 130 is where I want to get in at the bottom of that candle. Try and be patient. All right, we're back in. Now back up to the top, 150. Let's go for 150. Hope I don't get caught trapped up here. You see that? Yeah, that's what happens. 150. All right, so if we come back down, if we hold this good, if we come back down too low, I'm already get out. I mean, I don't want to give up too much. But we could hit a bounce there. What is this? 5 minute I need to get. Don't get lost right quick. Uh, what are we doing? Rejection. Okay, so we didn't hold above that. So that's expected. So now I want to see this push up and get above and stay above. If this gets up and stays above, then we good for 160. Let's go for 160. Now we'll keep it simple. We'll go for 150. 160 is probably pushing it. Yeah, we'll go for 150. Go ahead and put that order in case it pops up. Catch us a pop. All right, let's see what happens. Might pull back. Yeah, I don't like that. That's why we're gonna come back down to the 14 or 13. Get a push up. Maybe we hold above, that'll be really perfect. But it's looking like we're gonna come back down. Yup, touched it. See, that's the thing. Now I'm back where I was at, right? But it's cool. We got 15 minutes. Market's closing. So maybe they're trapping the bulls up here now and then they're gonna make us pay. Let's see if we don't hold this. If we don't hold that 13, I'm getting out no matter what. I'll close that out. But this should be the gas we need. Push up and get us a pop. Let's go. Let's go. Chug along. Where the volume at? The volume is at 4,000. Oh, here we go. Volume's at 19. Two. There we go. Push up. We're getting the volume. We need that. We need that. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get back even and let's go green. Come on. Let's go. Stocks is crazy, yo. This is even like right now, this is half of what I had yesterday. So, chipping away, chipping away. Doing my budget, man. I spent like 6K last month in October. I got a lot of my bills in October. Oh man, okay, okay. Well, 13's coming up higher, so this is it. This should be a good move. Or we'll break down below it. It's a setup. We'll see. Bounce, resist, support. I mean, support. We need support off of that. Let's get it, Doji. Let's go. Pin bar, bullish, bullish, bullish. Let's go. Nope. All right, where we at? Where we at? Anyway, I spent $2,700 in insurance. Fucking shit. So that's a scam. All right. So at any rate, yes, I gotta write out my budget. Even though my card keeps up with everything, I still just like to do it the old school way. So forgive me if I'm not paying attention for a second. I'm gonna mute the mic, but looks like we getting it. That's what we need. All right. Yeah, you see that pullback was nasty right there. Didn't like that, but that's where we at. See what happens. Looks like they flushing it now. So damn it, man. Trapped again. Damn it. Should have stopped when I was up. All right, market's closed. It's 1600 hours. We're getting us a pop, getting a run up. Let's see what happens if we're gonna get up, push up, get green, manage to survive this, or if it's gonna flush And let's see how it goes. So today, let's talk about it. Pause this in the background. So while this is doing whatever it's gonna do, um, today right now at the moment we're at six. What is that? 696. I got my orders in up here at the top, trying to catch a little bit, not a lot, just not being greedy. We'll see if we can get this run up as the market closes off. We're above on the 1 minute, above the 13 on the 5 minute. Let's look and see where we at. Still below. Oh, there it is. We got a little pop, but we're running right back into resistance. This is a tricky area. Every time we get here, we sell off. This is where we were at earlier. See, there we go. So let's see if we can build above this, build above for the 4 o'clock hour. Nope. Same old same. Let's see. Push, push, push. Let's go. Let's stay above it. Let's get above it, yo. Looks like it's not gonna work. Oh, we're gonna be flush. All right, let's go. There we go. All right, so let's see if we can keep the momentum with everybody shutting down things, you know what I'm saying, selling and doing whatever happens at this time of the day. Um, our orders are up above. I don't think I put in too heavy. I think I was like, or did I? Where up? Yeah, I was going for 80. Eesh. Yeah, I might want to just let's see. What is that one? What is 80 at? 80 is up here at 150. So we should I'm not greedy. Good God Almighty. Look at that. Going for 150. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Up. Let's go. One more time. One more time. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Last trade of the day. Last trade of the day. Come on, baby. Come on. Give it to me now. One more time. One more time. One more time. Let's get it. Man, it's looking like it ain't trying to give it to me. It's going. Here it is. Here it is. This the gas. This is it right here. It wants to show off. It wants to touch that 150. I know it does. I know it wants to touch that 25, 160. Hit that Fibonacci. Go ahead and get it. One more time. Let's go. Let's go. Conviction, conviction. You can do it. Where the volume at? Volume's faltering. Let's see where we at. Closing out, selling off, selling off. It's giving up, bro. It's giving up. Nope. Come on. You can do it. There it is. There it Nope. Oh yeah. That's good. That's good. That's it. This is it. This is it right here. Uh, 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 uh. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, sellers. Close them out. Buy it up. Close them out. Close them out. Close them accounts out, man. Close them out. The end of the day is 4 o'clock. Time to go. People going to the gym. People going home. People going where they got to go. Let's get it. I might have to readjust my expectations though, because it's looking like we got to 49, which is insane. One more point away from where I was at. Where is it? I'm at 150. It literally went to 49, which I mean that's pretty far away when you think about it. All right. We're gonna close out and just stay green. We ain't gonna trip no more. So we at 700. Take that. Let's see if we get this one more bounce. We'll see. Let's see. We're gonna get a bounce. We're gonna get a bounce. If we don't get a bounce, if we get a flush, I'm gonna just sell market and call this shit a day. But let's see. We are sitting calmly, patiently, and calmly. 27.39. There you go. There you go. What do we say? 150. Uh, I don't think it's got enough volume for that now. I could be wrong, and I'm hoping that I am. Either way, we're gonna close this last trade out green. What time is it? 5. Okay, yeah, let's get out. 30, 32. Where you at? Come on, get down. Where you at? All right, so this one we're gonna just take this light. We ain't gonna be okay. Here we go. Up. Take 40. Take 40. We'll take 40. Where is it at? Are we gonna get 40? See how much momentum we got on that one. Not a lot. Not a lot. See him being greedy again. All right, there we go, getting 40. This is it right here. Think we got the gas. We're gonna push up now. I think we're gonna go to 180. 40 to 50. Let's run it up. Run it up. Let's take 50 and call it. All right, nice. Nice. I know now it's gonna go to where I wanted it to go to, but that's okay. We ain't gonna worry about that. That's none of my business. You understand? That's none of my business. Now, that being said, today we got 785. We closed out good. I'm not feeling sad and depressed, and I still am gonna go join the gym though, cause I gotta start getting out this house, man. But 785 for the day, um, worked out. Now over here on my March contract, yeah. All right, where we at? We're up 45. But overall, look at this. This is the other Tale of Two Cities. We are down 1100 on that one. But this is long term. We gotta hold that because at least, at least, maybe, maybe we're at the bottom. Like we go back and look at this on the 4 hour. We got it in here. If we don't come back and retest this, if we stay, uh, what was our top at there? So if we stay where we are, we don't come back down and revisit these lows, and we push up and we hit what is that, 915? Yeah, get back up in here and chop around. We'll be doing all right. I mean, it won't be no. Well, don't mean to do that. It won't. It won't. That's what gets me. It won't be no harm, no foul. Let's see, 915. That's what I'm talking about. What does that say? That says 26. So we need to get up to 2600. I think, well, the market's closed now, so I can't even put no order in. But I'm gonna hold this one anyway through March, unless it just starts dropping again like it did. That's why I was in the wrong spot earlier. Thought we was on our move up, and we weren't. But they got to keep room though for Nvidia's earnings. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. So, all right. So that's where we at, and yeah, we're still running up, and that's good. So we're gonna leave that one open, but it's hella two cities. You know what I'm saying? Now let's look and see where we at. We're at 25, 145. We are running. That means that I could have got my 80. You see that 145? So I think I wanted one. No, I wanted 159. I wanted 150. So I'm all right. All right, we never did make it to 150, did we? Nope, 48. See how many trades today? 49 trades, 49 ins and outs, and we came out at 785. That's good, bro. I mean, stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. We are out. We got one more day left, and the government is back open for what that's worth. But over here, the 5 minutes coming up, 48 is coming up. The 13 is running up. So if we get us across, we keep on going up, and we just stay above. If this stays above there, then we should be good to go. All right. Thank you for watching.